In this program, I am going to explain how to create a Python turtle racing program. First of all, we need to draw shapes of turtle. How will you draw? So you need to import a turtle library. With the help of turtle library, you need to create an object pen, which will help you to draw a screen. Pen.pinup function move the turtle without drawing. Pen.go to 150 minus 140. It sends the turtle on a particular location. Coordinates xy coordinates are given. X coordinate is 150 and y coordinate is minus 140. Pen down function allows turtle to draw. We have chosen the color of drawing, that is black. We will use black color to draw. Pen dot begin fill function will allow the turtle to draw a rectangle by filling color black. We are running a loop in range 2. It will repeat the statements following a statement 2 times to draw a rectangle. We are forwarding 20 steps or units to turtle. Then we are turning turtle left side 90 degree, then forward 300 and then left 90. This code will draw a rectangle. I will show you when I execute the code. Pen dot end fill. Now we are going to draw the shape without filling. We are pen up again so that we move to the cursor or turtle without drawing, and we send the turtle on the location minus 150 to 60. Pen down allows the turtle to draw. We are drawing a circle with the help of circle function and radius is 40. Pen up so that turtle should move without drawing. We are sending the turtle on the location minus 150 minus 100. Then pen down allow the turtle to draw. We are making another circle of 40 units radius. Here we are drawing a turtle screen, and we have created two objects, player 1 and player 2. Player 1 shape is turtle, its color is turquoise, and player 1 pen up, and we are sending the turtle minus 150 to 100 location. There is one more player, player 2. Its shape is turtle but color is red. We are pen up so that we should move the cursor turtle without drawing, and player 2 location is minus 150 minus 60. Finish line is 150. We have defined two functions, move 1, move 2, and move 1 function sends the turtle 5 steps, and move 2 function also sends the player 2 5 steps. Then here we are updating the window, and window on key when left arrow key is pressed, then move 1 function is called, and then right arrow key is pressed, then move 2 function is called, and window is listening these two functions and execute the statement. So let's start, and we run the program, and let's start playing this game. I am pressing the F5 key, and our screen is drawn on this in front of you. First of all, rectangle is drawn, so turtle is drawn, and circle is drawn. Let's play the game. I am pressing right arrow key, and it is moving red turtle. When I am moving or pressing the left arrow key, then it is moving the turquoise turtle. So I am pressing both the keys together, and see, turtle is begins, and what happens, you see on the screen red turtle is just winning or won the race. So by pressing these two keys you can play the games, turtle racing games. If you have any doubt, please comment us. Thank you for watching.